Today we're going to be talking about Lakewood's cast aluminum bell housing for GM LS and Gen 5 LT engines. This bell housing is a great option for anyone looking to connect their LS or LT engine to a standard GM pattern T-56 or T-56 Magnum transmission. This bell housing is made from lightweight cast aluminum, which makes it strong and durable without being too heavy. It's also designed to work with OE starters, flywheels, and other components, so you don't have to worry about any compatibility issues. The bell housing is available for all LS engines except the LS4, so you can use it with just about any GM car or truck. It's also a non-SFI unit, which means it's a lower cost option for those projects that don't require a steel SFI rated unit. These bell housings are designed to work with a hydraulic release bearing. Holley's part number 319-575 clutch installation kit has everything you need. And if you want to add some extra protection to your clutch and flywheel and properly align your starter, check out QuickTime's block plate part number RM6007. This plate is made of high quality steel and is designed to take a beating. Plus it comes with grade 8 hardware for both your engine and transmission. If you're looking to connect your LS or Gen 5 LT engine to a T56 or T56 Magnum transmission, then Lakewood's cast aluminum bell housing is a great option. It's strong, durable, affordable, and easy to install. So what are you waiting for? Learn more about Lakewood's drivetrain components at holley.com.